particular app has actually given me my first money via online, and I'm very glad that I took that step. Very glad that I knew the app, and it has been paying me, and that is why I'm making this video, so that I'll also share with you what that app is, how you can make money out of it, and why you should stick hold to it. Now, I'm in a kind of country where no one comes to your rescue. You have to work hard for yourself, you have to get your savings yourself, you have to get your needs all by yourself, right? So you need to have different side hustles. You just need to hop on things that will give you genuine money. So on this day, I wanted to make my own money via online. This is me telling you guys my story. I wanted to make money via online, and I was wondering how. Not until I saw this app and I decided to take it seriously, and since then I've been very glad. Like, I'm super excited, and I want you to stick around because this is very helpful video to you if only you take it seriously, because we are just few months away to 2025, and I want you to know that you have now till December for you to determine to yourself if you really want to make money genuinely, or if you want to sit and beg people to give you 2k with a little bit of disrespect on it, which I know you will not like. So watch this video, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section what you feel like and what your opinion is. But right now, let's head into the video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ijoma Edwin, and I want to say thank you for clicking this video, because I knew the moment you clicked this video, you want to know how to make money using just an app on your phone, right? It sounds crazy, but it's actually true. And that app, you already have it on your phone, but the problem is you just don't know how to do it. Now let me break it down. This is not like the normal apps, you know, the normal make money online apps where they pay you maybe 3 naira for a particular task, or they pay you highest they will pay you will be 50 to 100 naira. So imagine you are accumulating, you have to do like up to 50 tasks before you can get up to 5 to 6,000 naira. But this kind of app is very different. Its pay is high, its pay comes in different ways, and it is authentic and genuine. It is reliable. They'll pay you money straight to your bank account. What are you telling me? Why don't you want to have your own money? Why? So you may be wondering, okay, what is this app that I have on my phone that Ijoma is talking about? Okay, let me break it down for you. I know I'm not keeping you people on suspense, but let me break it down for you. Now that app is YouTube. It sounds surprising, right? YouTube. Now most of you use YouTube to just watch maybe tutorials, use it to watch movies, you know, use it for different things, which I don't care, but people are making money out of it. Now I know you may be like, how can I make money out of YouTube? I can't do videos. I know that's what's running your head. You can't do videos, you're camera shy. Listen, I want you to remember that nothing good comes easy. It doesn't come easy. It comes with you working, it comes with you putting a whole lot of effort, it comes with you just sacrificing some things to get what you want. Are you not tired of asking people for help? Is it not time that people ask you of help and you help them? Come on now. Now, if you are in Nigeria, you understand what I mean. Right now dollar, it should be around 1,600 going to 1,700. The price of fuel is moving to 1,002, 1,003. Fuel 1,002. Hey God. If your way things are expensive right now, you need to wake up. You need to wake up and know that you have to work hard for you to feed. We're not even talking about working hard for you to save, for you to just feed. So you need to do something that will be giving you money in return. That time, that data you're investing in watching videos, you use it and invest in your own. Yes, YouTube is paying people massively. And now look at how much dollar is. Many YouTubers here are earning in dollars. Now you may be looking at my channel. As you're looking at the channel, you're looking at the subscribers. Please just hit the subscribe button and do me a favor. That is a long story. My channel was actually shadow banned, but it's bringing light, and one way you can help bring my channel to light is by liking this video, sharing it, so that other people who want to make money like you will watch it. They are making, even me that have not even gotten 1K subscribers, I'm still making money here on YouTube. I don't know for you, but YouTube is a big gateway to different ways of making money online. So you may be wondering, okay, fine, I want to join YouTube. How can I start? It's very simple. Get a niche. Now, first things first, in this app, you need to have a niche. You need to know what you want, right? Know what you want. I've seen many people that are doing niches about strictly themselves. They are not bothered in doing niche about other things they are not aware of. They do niche maybe on their vlog, how they feel like, they give their opinions on some topics, and it has been working for them. It has been, they just set up their camera and they start. You don't really have to have what's it called, softbox for lightning. You don't really need to have an iPhone. You don't really need to have a digital camera. You don't need that. Your phone, if you're using, I'm using Android to make this video, and my tripod, that is all you need in this particular, in order for you to start making money in this app. So have a niche of your choice. Now, if you ask me, I'm going to give you 3 top niches that are currently going well, that are evergreen. We have niches of how to make money online. We have niches of what we call passive income. It's still under how to make money online though. We have niches on tutorials where people give out tutorials, basic tutorials on different things, and those are evergreen niches, because what you want to do on YouTube is something we call evergreen, something that will last till God knows when. So you need to do something that is evergreen. So we go for evergreen niches. Pick up any evergreen niches of your choice. It's either you learn it or learn it. There's no harm in learning it. Learn it, start up your, make your first video, and you're okay. And you're okay. Consistency will pay you at the long run. Give yourself from now till the next 3 months and tell yourself you are going to hit 2 subscribers. You'll make it right here on YouTube, and YouTube will pay you, because I know that other subscribers are also making money even without them being getting paid by YouTube. They are making money, but they will not tell you. But me, I'll spill the tea for you. Okay? So stop holding yourself, stop discouraging yourself, or stop allowing people to tell you that you want to go into YouTube, you want to be carrying camera. If that is the way to make money genuinely, then you need to do it. I told myself, if that's the way I'll make money genuinely, I'll do it. I don't care what people will say, as long as what I'm not doing is not bad. I don't care what people will say. So do it. As long as it's giving you money genuinely, do it. So some of you will be like, okay, I'm camera shy, I can't talk to the camera. We have faceless YouTube niches. Like when it means something is faceless, you're not showing your face, but you're making money. I don't know why you people are playing on this YouTube. People are making money without showing their face, and here you are. Now let me give you niches that you don't have to show yourself. We have Bible quotation niches, we have storytelling niches, we have motivational niches, we have history niches. This set of, look at it here, these channels, they are not showing their face, but they are making money on this app. I've watched so many videos on how to make money with different apps, but this YouTube, no one has mentioned it. It's hardly people that talks about that YouTube is among the app that pays. I don't know about you, but for me, I want to make money, and I know you also want to make money. Let's do it together. Let's join heads together. Create your first channel. Come back to this comment section and tell me you have created your channel. I'll go and subscribe for you. Yes, if you have already created, comment you have created the channel. I will subscribe to your channel. I will subscribe to your channel. That is how I will help you. And I want to also motivate you and tell you that if you are consistent, it will work for you. I remember when I was saying thank you to 200 subscribers. Look at my channel now. I've posted just 13 videos and I have up to 600 and something subscribers. Why? Because I was determined. Nigeria iron my head. Iron my head, so I have to sit up. I want you to also sit up. It's not getting funny. Build a life so that your kids will you build a life for your future. Build a life for your kids. If you don't want to have kids, build a life for yourself, for your future, so that while looking back you'll be like, yes, I did something, I'm proud of myself. Even people that are doing 9 to 5 are doing YouTube. but they will not come and tell you that YouTube is paying them big money. YouTube is paying right now, that dollar is 1.1617. They are paying people money. Imagine making money in dollars. The economy will not be really telling on you. I have to be honest. So I don't know what is delaying you, but whatever that is delaying you, scrape it off. Scrape it off. If it's phone, use your phone like this. Clean your camera. Use a handkerchief, a clean one. Swipe your camera lens. Clean it. Get any stand of your choice. Make that video. Is it that you make a video about yourself? If it can be an introductory video about yourself, it can be an informative video. You're telling people something they don't know before, or you're sharing your own knowledge. It is something. It is an effort not wasted, because in time to come, that video will pay you. That time that data you're spending, use it and make money, please. I don't know why I'm begging you, but I'm just begging you, because in the next 5 years, it's those that take this kind of videos and this advice seriously that will be smiling. I took mine seriously, and I know that by God's grace I will be smiling soon. I'm already smiling though, but I want to smile anyway. Right? So guys, if you find this video helpful, subscribe. Even if you don't find it helpful, because I know if you find this helpful, subscribe. If you're demotivated, subscribe. You'll become motivated. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.